Annex 1 of the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ship MARPOL include Regulation 31 to 39, which is important for the protection of the marine environment. This regulation primarily focus on preventing oil pollution from ship. Here are brief explanation. Regulation 31. Prevention of oil pollution from engine compartment. This regulation describes the requirements for oil discharge monitoring and control system for prevent oil discharge from machinery space. Regulation 32. Prevention of oil pollution from tanker areas. It details measures to prevent oil pollution during loading, unloading, and landing of cargo. Include the use of oil discharge monitoring and control system. Regulation 33. Control of hydrocarbon discharge activities. This regulation restricts the discharge of oil into the sea except under specific condition. For example, when the oil content does not exceed certain limit and the vessel is far from shore. Rule 34. Control the contamination of hazardous liquid in large quantities. It deals with the transportation of hazardous liquid and their release, setting strict requirements and control measures to minimize damage to the environment. Rule 35. Prevention of population by hazardous substance transported by sea in package form. This regulation covers the packaging and labeling of hazardous substance transported by ship to prevent contamination in the event of an accidental release. Rule 36. Prevention of pollution by wastewater from ship. It deals with wastewater discharge. Define this distance limits from the nearest land and conditions for special areas. Rule 37. Prevention of pollution by waste from ship. This regulation controls the disposal of waste of at sea, clarifying into different types and specify the rule of disposal. Rule 38. Prevention of air pollution from ship. It aims to control emissions from ship by setting emission limit for sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide and establishing emission control areas. Regulation 39. Investigation and certification. This regulation covers certification and specific requirements to ensure that ships comply with the previous regulation.